Okay, so we get a lot of questions how to do lean in an office. Well, we can only tell you about how we do lean in our office, and it's very simple. Number one, we make sure everything's on wheels. As you can see behind me, all the quad units, everything's on wheels, so everything's flexible. We make sure our carts are on wheels. We make sure anything that's being received in the office is on wheels and on dollies, so that we don't have to struggle to move things around, because things invariably are always needing to be moved. We also make sure our file cabinets are on wheels. You see right there? We just love wheels. So that's number one. We want flexibility. Another thing that's unique about the way we do lean is we have no walls. So our office is here, and behind me, as you can see, is the production floor, and we've got the shipping and receiving area. I'll walk over there real quick. Is right next to the office. So we're producing the orders and they're packing and shipping, right? So it makes perfect sense that they would be connected to us right through there. So we took down the walls, and people always say, well, what about the noise? We say nonsense. You'll figure out a way to deal with those issues. And as you can see, everything's on wheels, all of our carts, everything's on wheels. Even the dogs are on wheels, see? The dogs, we put everything on wheels here. It's just very key to flexibility. And when I say dogs, I mean multiple dogs. So here's Bentley right here. Bentley's on wheels too. He hangs out in the carts as well. So this is our order board right here, and it's on wheels, and it's flexible, and it shows our orders and what we have to do for the day. Now, the next thing we do is we treat the office environment just like the production floor. Everything's a process, and we're constantly making improvements to the way we do things. So whether or not we're answering the phone is a process, so we're improving that. The way we take notes, we're improving that. The way we file things, we're doing that. The way we process orders, we're improving that. So I'll just walk over to Brady real quick and ask Brady, so how do we do lean in the office?
I think the best way to do lean in the office is to find what bugs you and fix it. Whether it be you're always looking for your barcode scanner.
And you've got that right behind that phone right there, right?
Or if your phone moves around on your desk, there's always a...
Oh, look at it. So he just changed this. These are all new improvements. So instead of struggling with that, he's fixed that.
So basically anything that bothers you, whether you're typing orders, you're filing things, you're doing accounting, anything in the process that drives you crazy, fix that.
Okay, and I notice your screens are different than everyone else's. He's got like the Enterprise here. He's got one screen, this orientation. Why did you do that, Brady?
Well, it bothered me when I opened up documents. You can never see a full page, and with your monitor vertically, you can read a full page without scrolling. Oh. So you save over-processing, wasted motion.
Very good. Right. So, does lean work in the office?
Oh, it works amazingly.
No different than out on the production floor?
Not a bit.
At all. So just think of everything as a process. Thanks, Brady. And you're going to do great. That's all we do here. But if you make the excuse, well, it doesn't apply there, well, you know what? Lean's not going to work for you in the office, that's for sure. But for us, we're refining everything all the time, because everything in life's a process. It doesn't matter whether or not you're building something or you're processing orders or answering the phone. It's all a process. It can all be improved continuously. There you go, Lean in the office.